After 3 years, the COVID-19 emergency ends this week. The emergency will end within the city of San Diego, the county, and state on Tuesday.
CBS 8's Jasmine Ramirez shares what this means for us here in San Diego.
We've been speaking with local leaders and doctors about the end of this emergency. The county first instated it in February of 2020. After 3 years, the COVID-19 emergency will be over in San Diego.
It's been hard. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's been hard.
From skyrocketing hospitalizations, deaths, lockdowns, quarantining, masks, vaccines, and all the unknowns. Dr. Davey Smith, the chief of infectious diseases at UC San Diego, looked back at some of the defining moments of the pandemic.
And then when we were quarantining those patients from those cruise ship at Miramar Air Station at the time, that was also a gut punch, if you want to say something, that it was at a time like, okay, this is real, this is happening.
He talked about the stress on our healthcare workers and dealing with the pressure.
But what I learned was that it was very important in the time of a pandemic is to be as kind as you can with yourself, with your neighbors, with your colleagues. It's rough, and especially when it's scary and people are dying and things are moving very fast. Be kind.
I'm appreciative of how San Diegans stepped up to support one another, to come together to protect lives. I think San Diegans did as good as we could possibly do in dealing with this.
The state of emergency allowed local leaders to make decisions around the pandemic more quickly and get state and federal funding to do so. The vaccine mandate for city employees will also end this week. Although the state of emergency is over, experts say the virus is sticking around and warn new variants will emerge.
I worry that we're going to forget. And this was not unexpected.
He also worries we won't be prepared for future pandemics.
I think that politics has inserted itself so much into COVID that we are not developing the preparedness that we need over time. And I worry that governments are never going to be able to do it because of the politics.
And taking preventative measures is really key. Local leaders and doctors want people to approach COVID the same way they do the flu and stay updated on your vaccines. Jasmine Ramirez, CBS 8.